Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a super intriguing tutorial for you. How to view someone's WhatsApp status without letting them know. Yes, you heard that right. If you've ever wanted to sneak a peek at a status update without leaving a trace, this video is for you. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now let's get into it. The first method involves going incognito, but not in the way you might think. WhatsApp doesn't have an incognito mode, but there's a workaround. Open WhatsApp, head to the settings, tap on account, and then go to privacy. Here you'll find the read recipients option. Disable it by turning off the switch. This prevents the app from sending read receipts when you view messages or statuses. However, remember once you disable this option, you won't be able to see if others have read your messages either. It's a two-way street. Now go ahead and view the status you're curious about. Since read receipts are turned off, the persons won't know you've seen their status. Now the next method you can use is turn the airplane mode on. Simply swipe down and turn on the airplane mode. After doing this, you can simply watch the status of the person you want to watch, and due to the lack of internet connection and services, the person won't know that you watched the status. And now for the third option, you can simply go to your Play Store and search in WhatsApp Status Hide Viewer. Simply install it, and there you have it. A simple yet effective way to view WhatsApp statuses without alerting the poster. Remember, while it's fun to know these tricks, it's also important to respect others' privacy and use this hack responsibly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.